Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial by Zebra Code. In this tutorial, we are going to download and install the Java JDK on the Windows 10 platform. In the process of downloading and installing it, we will carry out some specific tasks, which includes downloading of the JDK from the official website, installation of the JDK on the Windows 10 platform, setting the environment variables, setting the Java home, and at the same time run a Java program from the command line. That is after we have done the installation of the application on Windows 10 platform. Before we do the installation, let's check our Windows platform to confirm if Java is already installed. To do that, go to the command line, cmd, and type in this code, Java version. If you get an error message like this, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, it means that Java JDK is not installed on the system. So let's go ahead, download and install it on the system. To download the Java JDK, let's go to the Oracle official website. To get to their official website, open a web browser and go to Google and search for the Java JDK download. It will take you to a page like this. It's likely going to be the first. Click on the first result from the search, and it will take you to this page. As at the time of recording this video, the latest edition was the Java SE 15. Scroll down a bit and you can see some other possible versions that you may want to install. But for the sake of this video, we are going to install the Java SE 15 on the Windows 10 platform. It is the latest edition. Now click on JDK download and it will open a page like this. We are going to install the Java SE Development Kit 15 downloads. SE stands for Standard Edition. Now scroll down a bit and here you will see that the latest version as at the time of recording this video is the Java SE Development Kit 15.0.2. There are different versions for different operating systems. We are going to install it on the Windows 10 platform. So we will be using the Windows S64 installer, which is this one here. Click on this link. And here, this pop-up window is for you to review and accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement. Tick on that box and now click on download. The file is not so big. It won't take too long to download. It depends on your internet connection speed. My internet connection speed is fast. It is not the fastest in the world. It might be faster than yours, or yours might even be faster. Either way, it will not take long to download the file. It is a .exe file, that is, it is an executable file. Now it has finished downloading. To install it, click on Show in Folder and you will find it in where it has been downloaded to on your computer. In my case, it was downloaded to the Downloads folder. Click on it to install it. This pop-up window is to guide you through the installation process. Now click on Next. it shows here where the installation is going to be in. It's going to be in the C program files Java JDK 15.0.2. Leave it as it is, don't change it unless you have a compelling reason to change it. If you don't have any reason to change the installation location, leave it as it is by default. Now click on Next. It will take a little bit of time to install. Be patient. It was successfully installed on our Windows 10 operating system. If you want to access the tutorials, you can click Next here. If not, click on Close. Now, let's go to where we have installed it on our system. It's going to be in your program files. Look for Java. This is the one we have just downloaded, JDK 15.0.2. Ignore the other two. I had those ones installed on my system before, so this is what you should look for, which we have just installed. Click on it and click on the bin icon. This is where we have installed everything to. So now copy the link here. We've copied the link and now we are going to set the environment variable. To do that, click here and type variables. It will come up with this link, edit variables. That is under the system properties. Now click on environment variables. Here at the bottom, system variables, click on this link, path, and click on edit. Here, click on new and paste what we have just copied. That is the path to the JDK file that we have just installed. Now click OK and click OK once again. The next thing we are going to do now is to set the Java home. Also click on environment, and here at the bottom again, system variables. This time just click on new and type in here Java underscore home, everything in capital. For the variable value, paste what you have just copied, but this time delete bin so that it will be just 15.0.2 and click OK. Again OK, and here OK. That's fine. Now let's check through the command line to see if everything was installed properly. cmd, so open the command prompt and now type Java -version. Yes, it was installed successfully. It shows here now that we have installed Java version 15.0.2, and this is the date we did the installation. Again, Java SE runtime environment build was installed, so you don't need to install the Java runtime environment separately. Both the JDK and the runtime environment have been installed together. And if we also check for Java -version, it shows here that we have Java 15.0.2 installed. Everything is working successfully. The installation process for the Java JDK 15 is likely going to be the same for other versions where the version may have been updated to a newer version. Now that we have successfully installed the Java JDK on our Windows 10 platform, the remaining task here is for us to create a Java program and run it from the command line. That is easy to do. Now, we are going to create a simple Java Hello World application. To do that, I have created a Java demo folder on my desktop. Go to your desktop, create a folder and call it Java Demo, exactly as I have done. Now, let's create a file and test it. To do that, you can also click on CMD, open the command line prompt, just type in here Notepad. It will open a new Notepad file for us. Here we are going to create a public class here, public, and I'll call it book. Public static void main string args system dot out dot println hello world. Now we have created this public class file. Let's save it, save as, and we are going to save it in that folder that we have just created inside the desktop Java demo. Type in here book.java. And save. Now we have created the public class book, public static void main string arguments, system.out println hello world. So let's test our file. Now to compile and run our book file, let's first of all navigate to the folder where we saved it in. This is very important. You need to navigate to the folder where you saved it in. CD desktop, CD Java demo. Yes, we are now inside that folder. Let's run java book.java. Yes, it was compiled successfully. Now let's run the file java book. Exactly, it's working properly. Hello world, which means the file was successfully compiled and it was run successfully. So if we add something else to it, say, let's quickly copy this and then paste it right below it. I love Java. Again, to run that now, we have to compile it once again. Java book.java. Now run it. Java book. exactly, it was successful. Hello world, I love Java. So this is how you download and install Java JDK on Windows 10 platform. We have successfully downloaded it, we have successfully installed it, and we have also set the environment variable as well as the Java home variable path. We have successfully created a file and tested it on the command line. Everything works well, and this is how you do it. The version we use here is the Java SE 15. Maybe by the time you will be watching this video, the version would have changed, but the process is likely going to be the same. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.